Hi, good morning. This is Gangaya from Maths Magic Academy. So in the previous class, we discussed divisibility rules. So for this connection, I will say one trick key, that is trick key of 9. This trick key of 9, so many students they know. Why I am telling, when I am studying as a child, in that time also, my teachers had told me this type of trick key. So that in this generation, definitely so many members they know. So in this connection, I am going to tell the divisibility rule of connection with the 9 also. So let us see the 9 table. So 9 into 1 equals to 9, that is 0, 9, and 9 2s 18, 9 3s 27, 9 4s 36, 9 5s 45, 9 6 54, 9 7s 63, 9 8s 72, 9 9s 81, 9 10s are 90, like that. The table will be there. You can observe that the 9 table, the children's, if you ask the children what is the trick key of 9, they will say simply we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and from the bottom also we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we can get the 9 table. Like that, even 4th class or 5th class students also they can able to say this type of trick key. But here one more thing you have to observe, that here 0 plus 9, 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. So sum of the result is always 9 only. Based on this, I can do the divisibility rules of 19, 0, 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, and so on. For anything we can do. So in the previous class we discussed the divisibility rule of 19. You can see the previous class, you can see there 19 divisibility rule and 29 divisibility rule also I explained. So here very simple, that here 9 2s 18. So 9 2s 18, last digit 9 is there. 9 into 2, what is there? 18. 18 plus 1, 19. That means the divisibility rule of 19 is whatever the number is there, that number you have to take, and the last digit of that number you have to multiply by 2 and add the result to remaining digits, so that we can say that number is divisible by 19. Let us take one example, that is 399. Is this 399 is divisible by 19 or not? See here 9, 9 into 2, last digit we have to take. For that 9 into 2 is 18. This 18 should be added to the remaining digits. So the sum we will get, so 9 plus 8, 17, 3, 4, 5, so 57. So 93s are 57, right? So that we can say the divisibility rule of 19 is nothing but the last digit we have to do twice, or 9 into 2, multiply with 2, and the result you have to add to the remaining digits. The sum is equals to something that is divisible by 19, then the number is divisible by 19. Like that we can say. So here very simple trick, here it is 1 and I am writing here 2. I am writing here 2. Why? Because the last digit I am multiplying with 2 and adding to the remaining digits. And here it is 3. For 29 already last class divisibility rule we discussed that 29 is there. For that 9 we have to multiply by 3. So 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. Like that here it is 4 and it is 5 and it is 6 and it is 7 and it is 8 and it is 9 and it is 10. Okay, very simple. The divisibility rules of first digit, that is units digit, is 9, then we can apply the divisibility rules of like this. Let us check the divisibility rule of 29. Suppose if you take the number 555. So what shall we do here? 29, 3 is there. That means the last digit 5. 5 should be multiplied by 3 times. That is 5 3s 15. This 15 should be added to the remaining digits. And what we are going to get the result? 5 5 10, 5 6 7. So 70. 70 is not divisible by 29. So that we can say 555 is also not divisible by 29. Let us take one more example with 39. Students, can you see? For 39, 4 is there. Okay. So, if we take a number 585, some number 585, and take the last digit 5. 5 into, here what is there? 4. 5 4s 20. This 20, if we add it to the remaining digits, what we are going to get? 8 and 7. So what is 39 twos? 78, right? 39 twos, 39 plus 39 is 78. So 78 is divisible by 39. So we can say 585 is divisible by 39. Let us see 49. Students, you can remember that when we are doing 19, here 1 is there, 19. In tens place 1 is there. And which number we are multiplying with? 2. When we are doing with 29, tens place 29, 2 is there. The last digit is multiplied by 3. Whereas here 39 will be there. In this tens place 3 is there. We are multiplying with 4. So as 49. In tens place what is there? 4 is there. So suppose if we take 1025, then the last digit is 5. So that 5 is multiplied by 5, right? Here 49 is there. So tens plus 4 is there. So 4 plus 1, 5. Next number, like that. Here 19, 1 after 2, 29, 2 after 3, 39, 3 after 4, 49, 4 after 5. Like that here 5 5s 25. Sorry. This 25 we have to add here. So what we are going to get? 7, 4, 1. Again you can repeat this process. 7 into 5. 35. 35 if you add to this number. So what we are going to get? 9, 49. So 49 is divisible by 49. So that 1225 is also divisible by 49. Like that we can check the divisibility rule of all the numbers. So once again I remind you, if the number is divisible by 9 or not, we can check by adding all the digits of a number. Like see, 2, 4, 5, 1, 7, 3. How I find the result of these all the numbers? I know the divisibility rule of 9. From there what we are doing? From 9 table we are adding all the digits, then the sum is, the resultant sum is 9, it is equals to 9. That means the last digit is multiplying by 1 and it is adding to the previous digit. Here also see 3 into 1, 3. That 3 is going to be added to this one. Again, after adding, this also multiplied by 1 and it is going to be added to the previous number. Like that all the numbers we are adding. And sum of the digits. After adding the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then definitely the number is divisible by 9. Like that we are getting the divisibility rule of 9, same as I tried for the remaining all those things. We got and the result is like this. So you can take some more examples and you can do yourself so that you can understand. If you find any different type of divisibility rules for different series like this, you can please give comment. Okay, it is very simple trick. By this simple trick also, the problems are giving in the competitive examinations. If you know this trick, you can solve the problem very easily in the examinations. If you don't know the trick, you are going to do and you are wasting your time. The time kills your opportunities in the examinations. So please learn this type of tricks so that it is very useful for your examinations. This thing you know, very simple, but these things you have to remember so that it is very useful in the examinations. Okay, thank you.